What do you think of when you hear the word hack? Maybe you picture someone at a computer doing things that they shouldn't be doing. Or maybe you think of somebody making changes to the way that a computer works. Here at Brilliant Labs, when we say that we want you to hack a Halloween decoration, we really mean that we want you to customize it. We invite you to take a decoration or your own creation and personalize the design using whatever materials you have at home or school. This penguin toy could be hacked with colored paper and glue to turn it into a penguin witch. What other accessories would you add? A battery powered LED light string is a great way to add a hack to your own creation. Using a microbit, we can code the lights to turn on and off any way that we want. This cardboard house uses the Brilliant Labs B-board to add lights and movement. It's coded to interact with its environment. When its motion sensor sees movement, the skeleton pops up for 5 seconds. When it hears a noise, the pumpkin's eyes light up. What could we add to make it even more spooky? Think about the decorations that you have that you could hack this Halloween. What could you make or code to customize the design? Visit brilliantlabs.ca/Hackoween for more information or for support with this challenge. Don't forget to connect with us and show us your Hackoween creation. We're always looking for innovative projects to share at our Spring Maker Fair. Happy making!